MH-6 is the troop transport version used to precisely deploy troops in areas that are simply unreachable by larger helicopters like the MH-60 Black Hawk. External sideboards function as seats for the troops. The MH-6 can also be used as a sniper platform. The AH-6 conducts precision, close air support, and assaults in support of U.S. Special Operations units. The MH-6, which is the unarmed version, transports commandos to target. Their main customers are Joint Special Operation Command Special Missions units, the Army's Delta Force, the Navy